Black hole coaster. When you are stuck with a hot day in Thailand, what is better than getting sucked into a black hole? Snowtown? Super Splash? the Grand Canyon? Maybe for cooling down, but Black Hole Coaster is a better ride that you'll enjoy way more. Black Hole Coaster at Dreamworld is a family indoor coaster that opened as Supernova in World Expo Park before being relocated to Thailand as Space Mountain in 1994, before then changing its name to Black Hole Coaster in 2015. The theming for the coaster is well done, and though not overly terrific, allows one to feel a space-age theme, complete with a Star Wars-like theme song. This coaster, at first glance and ride, may not offer much in the ways of thrills, but I argue that it is a solid family coaster that is very enjoyable with multiple re-rides. Since, like all coasters at Dreamworld, Black Hole Coaster only runs one train, it will likely have a 10 to 20 minute wait on busy days. So, if you're visiting on the weekend, I would hit up this attraction early on in the day, especially if you're looking to get multiple re-rides. As far as seating on this coaster, I have a strong preference for the front. That may seem strange on a dark indoor coaster, as the front car likely doesn't have a significantly better view. But the front row allows for a greater feeling of floater airtime on the various small drops, which, when combined with the sideways shaking back and forth of this coaster, creates a unique family coaster experience. The back row does make the small drops more pronounced, particularly the largest one about 2/3 of the way through the ride. But this drop still isn't too great due to its size, and my lack of love for turns and helixes needs me to have something that makes this ride enjoyable start to finish than just a few elements that are okay. Black Hole Coaster starts off by going down a small drop out of the station with a quick turn before entering a lighted lift hill that gives the impression of launching into space. The train briefly stops at the bottom of the hill, giving a small impression that the coaster might have broken down. Always a nice touch to the ride experience. Followed by a very slow ascent up the lift hill. As you prepare to go over the top, a robotic voice starts a countdown to really give you the feeling that you are about to blast off. The coaster navigates a small turn off the lift hill before going down a larger turn drop. This one is not too steep, but will quickly show the up and down aspect of this ride, while turning creates a unique experience. After doing 2 helixes while slowly descending, the ride enters more of a straightaway piece that still has you banked and turning slightly to the right. Then, Black Hole Coaster travels upwards, allowing you to slowly travel over 3 turned bunny hills. They give you no airtime other than the previously mentioned lateral jerking. Now, the train picks up speed for 2 better bunny hills. Experiencing these hills in the back is great and the true benefit of sitting there. The second hill is right before finally turning to the left for the first time, which creates a disorienting feeling that makes it more enjoyable, despite its small size. Then you will coast around another right turn before entering the final tunnel and brake run, ending your ride on Black Hole Coaster. As a small indoor coaster mainly focused on helixes, one would think I would rank it similarly low like Sky Coaster. However, I really enjoy the unique sensations that I feel on this coaster, which has me rank it right above the S&S free spins that I've been on. Though a few family coasters that I love rank higher than Black Hole Coaster, it is clearly in the top tier of family coasters. Thank you for watching, and as always, Kapkun Krap.